Hi guys, good evening to all. And today classes we are going to see about WordPress database enumeration. So first 20 minutes it was theory classes, and next 40 minutes it was a practical class. So do not skip anything. Then only you will understand all the things. I am Sujit from BCBUZZ Technologies. This is my LinkedIn profile and job profile. So it is our today agenda: introduction to WordPress security, understanding WordPress database structure, WordPress attack surface and enumeration, database enumeration technique, privilege escalation demonstration. So first we will see about what is WordPress database security. Just to overview of WordPress. First, the WordPress is the most widely used CMS platform today. So because of its popularity, it's become a major target for cyber attacks. So understanding a database WordPress security is essential for protecting the WordPress websites. So next we will move to WordPress architecture. In WordPress, the mainly using a three architecture model. So the application layer communicate constantly with the database. So understanding this structure helps to identify the possible attacks and points. So just we will see some overview about WordPress and database. Then we will move to fully hands-on only. So do not miss the classes. Next topic is a WordPress component. So WordPress component, mainly they have some main components in WordPress like themes, plugins, database like that. So plugins and themes are increase the functionality, but also increase the risk also. So may attacks occur due to vulnerability extensions also. So security assessment must included in plugins and themes analysis. So there are some architecture diagram about themes and plugins. Next we move to other topic, the WordPress database structure. So mainly the WordPress used around 12 default database structure. Like each table has a specific function and meaning a website data. So understanding those table helps to identify the sensitive information leaks. Like next, WordPress attack surface. So in attack surface, it refer to all the potential entry points in a system, like a login pages, rest of like API endpoints and plugins and themes, file upload, database configuration files like that. Then attacker analyze those entry points before the exploitations. So it will reducing the attack surface to improve the overall security. Next, we see information disclosures. Mainly the information disclosure via like version out of versions, like directory visibilities, like that. Like information disclosure helps to attacker gather the informations, and even the small piece of the data can reveal the vulnerabilities. So the proper configuration only prevent the accident data exposure. Next, we will see about what is WordPress enumeration. So the WordPress enumeration is an important phase of the penetration testing. So it involves the collecting as much information as possible. From this information is later used for during the exploitations. Next, we see what is the password hash extraction. Like password hashing the password hashing improve the security, but it does not granted the protection. So weak password are still vulnerable to crack the attack, and also a strong password policy significantly reduce the risk also. Next we see privilege escalation. So in privilege escalations, basically the privilege escalation allow the attacker to control your website. Okay, then now we will move to hands-on section. Wait. Okay, we already set up labs in our system. Let me move. So first we will scan about. Now we are going to see about how database enumeration will work, how the attacker will gather the information, and how they are exploit like that. First we want to gather some basic information about the site or IP like that. So we start with some commands. Like first phase of VAPT or penetration testing is information gathering. So first we want to gather information about what are the ports are open in that IPs, what are the port closed, what are the services are running in that port. All the information we want to collect. Then only we move to next part. So first we will see it will take some time. So now we are going to see what are the versions are running in the IP. If they have any open port, it will show. Yes, now you see we got some information. So there has 83306 is a MySQL database port. It is open. There is no versions service is running in that port, but we have also captured another two port, like common ports 4000 and 9876 port. So we did not need that port. Only we want to focus on MySQL database port. Then we will move to some basic information. What are the directories are running in this port? Like that we will gather. So this command will show what are the technologies, what are the things they are used to build their site. Like that it will show, like where they are registered, what are the basic things are need for that website. All the things will show in this tool. We will gather some informations, like where the site will host like that. If you see here means in title portion that has WordPress Security Lab. So there you have some it's our IP, local IP, like that where the systems are running, all the things it will show. Next we will move to another basic information gathering. It will show what are the headers are there implemented, like that what is the content type, content length, all the things it will show. What are the server they using, an Apache version. The labs are running in deep in Linux. All the information it will show. We will see what they have any license or not. Like that also we can see. Basically, first we want to note that they have a 200 status code okay or not. If they have 200 status code, the site is working. If they have any 404 500 status code, there is no information or there is no site will running under that IP. Like that, we want to first see we receive 200 status code okay or not. So there is we will see some when they are modified last, like when we set up all the things it will show. So in call the redeem dot it will show what are the latest versions, like that. It will say the still lab manual, how to install, like that, how do we want to set up the labs, WordPress database enumeration labs. Have instructions. Okay, fine. Let me move into next part, like API enumerations by using curl command. First we will see that have any APIs or not. Then we open the site in that we received a lot of information, but we can't able to see line by line. So we'll move to next command. We will see detail what are the information we received. Okay, next we try uh, directories enumeration. They have any directories are running in this IPs or not. user. So what we want to use. So it will testing the URLs, what are the directories, like that it will check. After the command run, we will receive, if there have any directories, we will receive. So wait for a minute. If you see the here means we already attached some word list inside, so it will testing all the names, and if they have any 200 status code, okay, it will display. We already received some things like http 127.0.1./admin, but we received status code is 3 not 2 error. So we'll wait for 200 status code, okay. If you open this, it will open to main page of WP admin website. Like that, we want to check what are the directories are inside that IP. If you open means the directories, what are this page will open. Like that only we want to collect the all the directories from the site. Wait for a few minutes. What are the how many directories we will find? Like a feed embedded. We also receive what JavaScript, and we received a 404 error, forbidden error. So we did not have permission to access the directory. Okay, like that we will want to check what are the uh, directories are in website. Like they have robot.txt. If you open, they have WP admin, like admin username password page will open. Like that we will receive a lot of things. We will not have enough of times. We will move to next part. So in WordPress mainly they have some big tools like WP scan. First we will see what information the tool will show. So it also takes some few seconds. So wait for 1 minute. If take too much of time, we will move to database enumeration part, because already we find the open port MySQL. Okay, it will take some. Okay, we will move to database access. So first of all, first we need to find whether the MySQL ports are open or not. Then after you want to check there have any anonymous login or not. We will see the open port, have open port of MySQL 3306. Then we want to uh, have, if we detailed scan MySQL port, it will show the have anonymous login or not. After that, we want to enter like that, but we will set up the lab. So we'll enter by user WP user. So we successfully entered in MySQL database. So first of all, we want to check what are the databases are inside. So we'll see. So if you see means they have two database like information schema and WordPress. So we can choose anyone. Now we can choose a WordPress. So we want to change our database. Like the command is use. Sorry. Yes, if you see means they have some message database changed to WordPress. So now we want to see in WordPress what are the users are there, what are the tables, what are the posts, what are the options, like that. All things we need to see. So if you see means the has what are the WP commands, links, options, like that. They have a lot of things. So if you see final row means they have WP users. If we gain access of any database, we want to see first users their what are, if they have any mail IDs or password, like that we want to see. If we capture the, if you access all the things, we can completely access the database. Like then we will move to what are the uh, informations are inside the WP users. If you see means they have lot of things, a user password, user mail, user URLs, like that. They have lot of informations. We can see uh, step by step all the information, but we will see also some whether the other have any informations or not. Sorry. In post they have a lot of things. What are the post dates, post titles, what are the contents they post, like that. We received a lot of information about their site. Then we will move to user enumeration part first, because we will see basic what are the things we need to see first. Then we will choose one user. Then we will see what are the names they have, what are the roles they assigned by the companies, all the things we will see. So now select ID, user login, and we want to know what is the mail they are used from WP user. If they have means we will take first we will choose WP user, we will describe the what are the things inside of the user. Inside of user, there have user login. First, we will see about what are the things inside the user login. Then that login, there have admin and their mail ID. Then we will see in user pass what are the things inside of that. So inside the user pass, they have some decrypt password like that. For admin, it is a username. It is password of that. So now we'll see all the information in WP user. The command is select. If you see means we received all the information about that one user, like their ID, what are the roles they activate admin, the user password hash, the user nickname, the user mail, user URL, on which site they are registered, when they registered, all the information we will see. So after that, we want to see some basic things like we will some now we will extract website configurations. If they have any weak, we will see whether they have any potentials or not. If you see means they have lot of rows, lot of information we will see, like their mail, the structure, how the information stored inside of database. I think if you see final result means they have 150 rows in the set. So wait. So we'll see whether the names are inside the URL or not. We did not receive any things. So now we'll move to whether the admin mail are inside or not. Yes, yeah. First we will see what is a site URL. Then we will see about what admin. This is a step by step. If you want to see whether their phone number, we enter your phone number. If you want to see the username only, we will see separately. If now I entered what is the admin mail, we received admin at tesla.com. Like that we want to see. Then we will now we see about what is the extract website configurations. So then we move to what is a content enumeration. Like content enumeration, select in first table we will see about the post title, like that. So now we will gather information from that post title. Yes, if you see means they have some titles about what is hello, like a hello world, same page, privacy policy, navigations, auto draft, like that we see. Then we will move to what are the post titles are inside, what are the post status, all the things we will see. This is called the content enumeration. If you see means we will see if hello world post title is established in a website or not, it published or not published or in draft, all the information you will see. So if you see means the hello world and same pages are published, or privacy policy titles are in draft, it is in progress. So like that we will see what are the things they need to publish are in on progress, or what are they published. All the information will stored in database, and we will see that all the information. Like also we will see what are who are the authors, like that also we can see. Maybe now I will show. So now you see command author, command content, what they command, like WordPress commenter, how this is command. Like that, if they enter any commands, all the things we will see by using this command. So next part is main things in a database enumeration. It is a privilege escalation. This is a privilege escalation. So we will already we gathered all the informations, like what are the users are inside, what are the database are inside that, all the information we'll see. But main part is we want to insert some raw data, like fake data into the database, then only it will like fulfill. So let's we try whether we can insert our data or not. So insert first, we want to choose where we want to insert our data. Let we will insert our data into a WP user, like a user login. then we will first we want to create what are the things we need to enter, like user login, user pass, user mail, user status. Then we want to enter their values also. Like that, for example, for a user login we will enter like a hacker, or like that, we also enter like md5 open. Or now we want to choose mail, like by our username is hacker, so we will create mail like hacker at test.com. Any other thing we miss? Yes, we miss the user status, so we will some enter raw data like 0. Then we will close our bracket. Oh, if you see means we received information from the database, the queries okay, so database accepted our queries, so one row was affected. Oh, so we successfully add our details inside the database. So now we will see whether our users are visible in database or not. So select ID. So we enter the user login. This is our username. So from in which table we will enter in WP user. WP. If, so if we enter means our inject details it want to visible in database. If you see means first admin, they have first we will see in admin, and they have mail is admin at test.com like that, but we add second one is hacker, so we will see whether the informations are inside or not. So yes, if we go and see hacker inside of hacker, we will receive what are the information we inject, like if they have password or mail, all the things we will see in the hacker user. So we will move to next part like a database recon. In database recon, we will gain what are the table names inside the database, what are the how many rows, what are the informations, and where the tables schema are in WordPress site, all the things we will see. So we will see. So, yes, I think the query is correct. Select table name, table rows. Okay, just we enter and see correct. Yes, we will receive all the information. How many rows are inside the that user, that separate name, table name. In WP user they have one rows. In post they have 5. in W user metadata they have 150. We already see what are the rows, how many rows inside the WP option, and we get lot of rows. And in down of that we will receive they have 150 row set like that. So that is this. So all the things we will receive, and we will see about how to see our data and how to insert our data into database, and how to we review whether our insert data are in database or not. All the things we will see: content enumeration or AP enumeration, like information gathering, directory enumeration, WordPress enumeration. All the things we will see today's section. So after that our full WordPress enumeration, uh, we have able to inject our data, and we want to the main things in VAPT is if you are exploit any vulnerabilities. After that some clients are asked about we want to erase if you leave any data you want to erase, like that they will ask. So we want to remove our testing data, all the things. For example, now we add the hacker user in the database. So now we want to also delete that hacker user. That is our responsibility. Delete from. Yes, if you see means we received that query, okay, one row affected. Just we now we want to confirm that whether our hacker username is deleted or not, like that. So we will review once, then only the lab will fulfill. Yeah, if you see means there is no hacker user in before that. Here we injected our fake user in the data set. Then we will review it, like in second position our user account will added. Then after that we will delete our user account. So we use this query. Then we will review whether the data user are deleted or not. Then it will come successfully. So we deleted successfully also. So first we gather the information, we see what are the data are in data set, and we will see how to enumerate the database content or website content by using the database. And we see about how to add the user in database, and how to delete our data set, like that. What basic things we will see. Then we also have some bending task, like now we will run a WP scan. Thus before that we did not, it will take a lot of time. So first of all we see whether any username are inside the dataset or not. Right. So we will see. It will take some time. So we will wait. Like we will see whether the username visible or not, like a password. All the things we will see by using the W scan. The W scan is a bigger thing. They have lot of things. We will create a separate section for W scan also. It will take two sections to complete the whole structure about WP scan. So it will running. So as we now we received some information. Then we will see what are the information we received, like that. They have some headers, so headers are well protected, and they have robot.txt. We starting itself we see in robot if we in WP admin. So if you open the link and so we enter into, so the page is not found. Wait for one wait. Yes, they have admin pages. If we enter the password, it will go into admin page. So like that, we will capture some directories in WP scan also, like XML RPC. They have confidential, and we have some accessories URLs from Rapid. So leave it that. That is not important. So they have redeem.html file in GoBust in their command also. You will see the redeem.html directories. So there is no any data like that. All the things we have uploaded directories also be visible. So if we see means here we received some information. Directories listening is enabled. So like that also. If you see means we find a user, the scan identified the one user like admin. In database they have one admin user, so that user is visible in the scan. If we leave it the hacker user, then it also visible in the scan. Now we only enter the user information like that. So if we see pass, we can able to see password also. So these are the basic of WScan. That have a lot of scripting or injection, SQL injection, lot of things in the WScan. We will create a separate section for that also. Either this is our channel. Go and follow in WhatsApp. They have a lot of information. Daily we give job availabilities. All the things we will publish in that channel. So please contact in that channel. This is the HTTPS learn.bcbuzz.io. In this site, they have a lot of courses, lot of study things about cyber security. All the things. Please log in and go through all the things and develop your skills in VAPT. Okay. Thank you to all.